Hi, I'm Will.
Sorry, wait. Hi, I'm Grace. And I'm Ruby. And this is KidVentures. We're going on a road trip and a plane trip. Which one? How would you describe it? So, we're driving to the airport, but we're flying to different countries. So, I'm going to ask Grace, how many states have you been to? 43 and 7 countries. Wow. Believe it or not, I've been to one more state than you. It's crazy, right? And our brother is going to point out all the countries and states that we're going to this road trip.
Sup, voiceover over here.
Come here.
So,
Which one's first?
We're gonna start off, as I was saying, we are gonna start off over in Stockholm, Sweden. Then we're going to Rome, the Vatican, Pisa, Venice, Verona, Ireland, then we go to Paris, France, Krakow, Poland, which, by the way, is not the capital of Poland. That is Warsaw. Denmark. Then we're going to London, England. Scotland. We're going to Sri Lanka.
But only my brother. And a parent, of course.
Yep.
Mommy!
That's right. So, every year, whether it's plane, road, train, trip, or whatever kind of trip, we get shirts. This is ours for this year. We call it the Colossal Trip. Grace named it this year. And on the back, we have a word cloud of an airplane. These words represent a lot of the places we're going to. You might see Sweden, family, Vatican, whatever on there. I would also like to give credit to Grace for naming it. Thank you, Grace. And, well, let's show you our lists, our packing lists, because, well, we got to bring stuff, of course.
So our packing
my packing list is
iPad,
I'm going to bring my iPad,
phone,
my
Kindle,
phone.
stuffed
Wait,
animal.
what are you guys doing? This is confusing. You should have the youngest go first, like in board games. That will be you, Grace. My gosh.
Okay, my full list is backpack, eye mask,
Your turn, Will.
All right. So my packing list, it is my iPad because no, this is mine. It's my iPad because I practically can't go anywhere without that.
And my list that I'm gonna bring is my iPad, slash eye mask.
Because she.
I want dark. So I got iPhone. Oh, sorry. Hey, look, do you think this is a good thing? Wait, something we need to make a video. Should we just do it like now?
Oh, yeah, I will get my stuff.
Okay.
Got everything I need.
I already got some stuff. It's right there. It's my stuff.
And this is a new backpack.
Backpacks. Let's sit down and read them.
Okay.
I think I am all ready for Europe. See you there.
Guys, I think we're ready.
Yeah.
Let me check.
Yeah. Got some stuff falling out there. Yeah, that's fun.
Perfect.
All right.
What about me?
Oh, you're fine. You got stuff falling out, but that's okay.
Perfect.
Okay. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go to Europe.
Yeah.
See you